back to another video today. Probably gonna be like a short 5-minute video. I'm gonna install my J's Racing fenders. I had these well before the car was even put back together. I'm just gonna prime them, put them on, see how the fitment looks, because I'm just bored. It's winter time. There's not much to do to my car other than suspension things. Wait till after the holidays to do that. So right now I'm just wiping down all the excess wet sanding that we did. I'm gonna prime them myself, just so they're not red on the car. And yeah, see how this goes. Also currently doing a oil change. That's why the car is on jack stands. And I don't know. Only this light works. The other two just took a shit and I took them out and they don't work, so. Yep. So the story behind these fenders, really good deal. Carlos, I think that's his name. Carlos down in Maryland. I'll insert a picture of his car right now. This is how they looked with the fenders while on his car. Look how dirty they are because of all the wet sanding. We wet sanded a lot of the clear off. This is how the car looked. His car looked with the fenders, and he did a really good job at fitting them and making them like OEM fitment. You know, with fiberglass, they come like shit from molding. Got a really good deal. Couldn't pass it up. I wanted these fenders anyways, so drove down to Maryland, picked them up from him a couple months ago. This was before the car was even. This was before the car even had the bay painted. Matter of fact, and here they are. Yep. Let me keep cleaning these up, get them prepped, and put some primer on these things. Squished. Yeah, I'm gonna try to go extra. I saw she posted it, so I was like, sir. So yeah, Gabe just left. I wasn't really filming much, but I was filming a little bit when I was pulling this fender off. Yeah, that one off. Took all the tins off, took it off. I primed this one, only had enough primer for this one. Going to get primer for that one now. I'm probably gonna drive the car tomorrow to New York with these on because I'm gonna be too lazy to take them back off. I don't know, depends. I'm kind of concerned that these are too wide for my C28s. I really don't want the fitment to sit inward, but I guess we'll see in a little bit once I put the other fender on and I get it back on the ground. This fender's off too. Finished doing my oil change. I'm gonna put the plug back in, fill her up, put the car back on the ground, and yeah. So let me put this drain plug back on now. I'm gonna wipe the underneath the car clean because I want to see where the oil leak is coming from and figure that out. Yep, that was Gabe. Alright guys, so I got this fender on. Car's back on the ground. I don't know if I really like it. I don't know if I really like the fitment. I don't know if I really like how it's looking up here, fitment wise. I mean, I might run a spacer. I don't know. It really depends. But these wheels are really sunken in compared to with the stock fenders. Right now, clean this fender. Get all this wet sand. Let's sand this. What? Sure. But yeah, like all from here too. Like they look really good, but I don't know. This side still wasn't fender because I didn't get primer yet. But hopefully, see how they look in the sun. Obviously they're not silver, so they'll look a little funny. But that's why I primed them, better than them being red. Probably would have threw me off way more. Maybe pick up a spacer, a little bit more. You know, I don't know. We'll see. just made my makeshift funnel with a naked pina colada thing. This is, yeah, that's not, yep. All right, let's put the oil in here. Castrol Edge is the best kind of oil for your Honda. Just don't at me. The best oil for a Honda motor. I know a couple guys that can vouch for me. They switched from whatever they were using to Castrol, and they literally had no issues with burning or anything. Let's see if we can do this properly. Oh, you motherfucker. We got oil everywhere. So let's clean that up. Funnel didn't do that great of a job. As soon as I put power to the battery, it starts like sizzling. Look. Listen. Oh, you see it, huh? No, I'm taking this battery out right now. Shit's sketch. We have full power. I guess we'll start it up with the jump pack. I mean, I'm not gonna drive my car on a jump pack. I mean, we've kind of done it before at the track. That shit stinks though. I'm gonna throw that battery out. What's up guys, it's currently the next day. I didn't film much after I put the fenders on, or well, I didn't really film putting on the fenders at all. Currently driving the car upstate New York, 5 o'clock, but it's pitch black dark. Oh shit, I put it in fifth. Fenders, I got no complaints. Seeing them in the sun and out, like with light and from far away, they look actually really good, especially even with that Fendment. Currently heading upstate New York. If I have time to stop and to film the fenders and show you guys exactly what I see and how I feel, I will. If not, I'll just do it in another clip. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, bye. Until the next clip.
Yo, how the fuck you keep gapping me? It pulls. This shit's still pulling. Alright, give up. Whatever you do, don't buy an FK8. It is slow.